in this sentence, Shama worked very hard. So here the verb is this, and how he worked very hard. So it is very clear that here the adverb is, it is an adverb and it is describing the verb work. Clear to you? In the second sentence, Shama's work is being described. She worked very hard. Shama worked very hard. That means it is an adverb. Hard is an adverb here, and here the verb is work. Now comes to third. He did some hard work every evening in his garden. He did some hard work. Here the work is used as a noun. Here the word work is used as a noun because it has come after the comes after the adjective. So he did some hard work. Here the work is a noun and hard is an adjective. In number 3 we will write adjective. It's an adjective, noun, and it is a work. Number 4, Sunny wants to buy a fast car. What type of car? Fast car. Means it's very clear. It is an adjective and it is describing a noun, that is car. What type of car he needs? He needs a fast car. Fifth one. The train to Shimla is very fast. The train to Shimla is very fast. Here again they are telling about the train to Shimla. So here it is telling about the noun. Again it is an adjective and it is describing the noun, that is train, Shimla to train. Now move to page number 74. First 5 were on the page number 73 and next 5 are on the another page. So move to page number 74. The 6th line is, they play hockey very well. They play hockey very well. What did they play? They play hockey. Means they are describing about a game, what they played well. So again it is an adjective and it is describing the noun hockey. 7th, I am not feeling well today. I am not feeling well today. Here feeling is an verb and it is describing. Verb is being described here. So that means 7th number is an adverb and it is describing the verb feeling. His application was rejected due to late submission. So now the question comes, his application. What? Right? So his application here is, again it is, his application was rejected. Application was rejected. Rejection is here the rejection. Rejection is the verb here. And why it was rejected? Due to late submission. So number 8 is an adverb and it is describing the verb rejected. It was rejected due to late submission. Number 9, Seema is late for her class today. Sheena is late for her class today. In this, it is describing the noun class. She was late for her class, so that is a noun, and that is why number 9 is also an adjective and it is describing the class noun. She was late in a class and it is describing about the class. Number 10. The girl wore a lovely dress. Now it is very clear. Lovely dress. What type of dress? Lovely dress. So this is simply an adjective and it is describing a noun called dress. Now we come to exercise number 6. But before this, doing this exercise, I think I should tell you something more about the adverbs. So first of all, we will move towards page number 75. Page number 75. First of all, move on to page number 75. Here, this is your chapter 14, formation of adverbs. You should know that how the adverbs are formed. Then we will do the exercise number 6. Adverbs can be formed in several ways. Adverbs of manner are the largest group of adverbs. Most adverbs of manner are closely related to the corresponding adjectives. एडवर्ब्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड, एडवर्ब्स जो हैं बहुत सेवरल वेज में फॉर्म किए जा सकते हैं एंड इसमें से एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर सबसे ज़्यादा लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ एडवर्ब्स होते हैं, मोस्टली कॉमनली यूज्ड होते हैं एंड दे आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एडजेक्टिव्स. मीन्स उसमें जो एडजेक्टिव होता है सेंटेंस में उसको वो मॉडिफाई करते हैं और डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. Ways of forming adverbs. Although some words can be used as either adjectives or adverbs, but in most cases adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to the corresponding adjectives. Mostly जो होते हैं adverbs, although some words can be used, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं बच्चे जो हम ऐसे एज अ एडजेक्टिव भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और एज अ एडवर्ब भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट इन मोस्ट केसेस एडवर्ब्स की फर्स्ट जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन है इट इज़ ly. इफ़ सम एडजेक्टिव इज़ एंडिंग विद द वर्ड li, that means most probably, I'm saying most probably, not always, most probably the word ending with ly is adverb. इनकी ये फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन रूल है. So by adding to an adjective, we can form all these adverbs. Like the adjective is slow and we add ly, it becomes slowly. Calm, calmly. Beautiful, beautifully. Bitter, bitterly. Heavy, heavily. Wise, wisely. Happy, happily. Sad, sadly. Again here, strange, strangely. Brave, bravely. Able, ably. There is some change in the spellings, like here in able, when we add ly, so e is erased here, deleted here. Cheerful, cheerfully. Modest, modestly. Probable, probably. Again here e, the last e is erased. Selfish, selfishly. Vigorous, vigorously. Means with great enthusiasm. That is called vigorously. Now we come these points. These are the important points that you should know before doing that exercise. So my watch is slow. My watch is slow. Now here read the sentence carefully. Watch. Here the slow is an adjective because it is describing about the noun, because watch is a noun. It's not a verb. यहाँ कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे वो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. उसकी वॉच कैसी है? माई वॉच इज़ स्लो. मीन्स वॉच इज़ अ नाउन एंड व्हेन अ सेंटेंस इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अ नाउन दैट मीन्स द वर्ड इज एन एडजेक्टिव. दे स्लोली क्लाइम द माउंटेन. ना हियर slowly climbed the mountain. Now here slowly is adverb because climbed is the verb here. It is describing how they climbed the mountain. So when the verb is described, then it is adverb. The verb is described in a manner. That word is an adverb. And if in sentence a noun is or a pronoun is described, then it is that word is, and the word that is describing is an adjective. So you have to read the sentence, understand it, and then find out that whether it is an adjective or an adverb. And you have to keep this thing in mind, that if the noun or pronoun is being described, then it is a adjective, and if it is and if the verb is being described, or an adverb or an adjective is being described, then it is a adverb. So we move to the second one. It was a wise decision. Wise decision. Now here wise seems like an adjective, and it is adjective because it is qualifying the noun decision. He took a wise decision means ये decision उनका बहुत अच्छा था, मीन्स ये एक एडजेक्टिव हुआ, उनके डिसीज़न को वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं कि उनका डिसीज़न कैसा था, वाइज था, अच्छा था, बैड था. तो ये यहाँ पे जो वाइज है वो एक एडजेक्टिव है. दे सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम वाइजली. हियर इट इज़ डिस्क्राइबिंग द वर्ब. इट इज़ डिस्क्राइबिंग द वर्ब. सॉल्व्ड. हियर द वर्ब इज़ सॉल्व. उन्होंने सॉल्व कैसे की प्रॉब्लम, बहुत वाइजली की, समझदारी से की. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है, इसलिए ये एडवर्ब है. बच्चे ध्यान से सुनेंगे तभी समझ आएगा, नहीं तो आपको ये सब आपके सिर के ऊपर से चला जाएगा. इसलिए जो भी मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ उसे बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. शी इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. नाउ हियर ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल क्या है, यहाँ पे नाउन है या वर्ब है? इट इज़ अ नाउन. गर्ल इज़ अ नाउन हियर. सो यहाँ पे नाउन को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है, तो ये क्या होगा? एडजेक्टिव होगा. यहाँ पे नाउन को डिस्क्राइब किया जा रहा है, देन इट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. इट इज़ नॉट अ एडवर्ब. आई होप it is clear with you. Now we come back to our exercise number 6. Now we will complete that exercise. We'll come to exercise number 6. Okay, we'll start with this. Mark adverbs in the given sentences and write their kind in blanks. Why didn't you come to school yesterday? Now, first of all, we have to identify. We have to find out the adverb, and we'll write the kind here. Mark adverbs in the given sentences and write their kinds. So, why didn't you come to school yesterday? Here, what is the adverb? Can you find out? इसमें adverb कहाँ है? इसमें पहले आप देखिए verb कहाँ है. Why didn't you come? आप क्यों नहीं आए थे कल? कल क्यों नहीं आए थे? कल means yesterday. So here yesterday is an adverb. Yesterday is an adverb. Yesterday is an adverb and it is an adverb of time. आपको वो बता रहा है कि आपसे वो पूछ रहा है no sorry, here it is why. Here it is why. Yes, let me rectify it. It is why and it is interrogative. Because it is asking about the main action, that why didn't you come yesterday? आप क्यों नहीं आए means why here is an interrogative adverb. Second one, I usually go out on Sundays. I usually go out on Sundays. Here usually is it tells about the frequency. आप कितनी बार जाते हैं? Usually, frequency. Do you remember? It tells about the at what interval you go. It tells about at what intervals, कितना ज़्यादा आप वहाँ जा रहे हैं. It is asking this. Now the third one is my cousin lives there. So you will ask yourself, where means it is telling you the place. So here the there is the adverb and it is the kind is place. Okay. Sheena writes well. Sheena writes well. So here well is an adverb and kind is manner. It is telling about what kind she writes, what type of writing she has, how does she writes. So the answer is how. The question starts with the how. That means it is a adverb of manner. Then we come to fifth. Bob cooks expertly. Cooks here is a verb and it is describing. So expertly here is an adverb and again it is a manner. It is telling that how Bob cooks. I often listen to grandma's story. I often. Again it is telling you that आप कितनी बार, how many times do you listen to your grandma's story. So you tell I often. अक्सर मैं सुनता हूँ. Often. It is telling you about the frequency. Now, next one. Grandmother takes his medicines regularly. Grandfather takes his medicines regularly. Here again the medicines are being taken regularly. So regularly is the adverb here and it is telling about the frequency. कितनी बार, कैसे, रेगुलर ले रही हैं या कभी कभी ले रही हैं, तो इससे आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी का पता चलता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस पुडिंग इज टू मच फॉर मी. टू मच. इट टेल्स यू अबाउट द डिग्री. कितनी ज़्यादा है आपके लिए, वो ज़्यादा है डिश आपके लिए. जो पुडिंग है इट इज़ टू मच फॉर मी. दैट मीन्स इट टेलिंग यू अबाउट द इंटेंसिटी, डिग्री, कितनी ज़्यादा. लेटली. I have not been sleeping well lately. Lately means recently, not very late. अभी अभी आपको कुछ पता चला है, हाल ही में. That means lately means recently. So again lately here is the adverb of time. It tells you about the time. What are we having for dinner? Now this is the question word and here the what is the interrogative adverb here. I saw your friend there. I saw your friend there. There again it is telling about the place. Here the adverb is telling about the place. Change into warm clothes immediately. Immediately it is telling you about the time. Immediately आपको पता चलता है कि अभी कपड़े बदल लीजिए. Just change into the warm clothes immediately. That means उसी वक्त, उसी टाइम, आपको टाइम का पता चल गया. This is enough for me. Sufficient for me. ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. फिर से आपको ये डिग्री का बताता है कि आपको ये चीज़ मेरे लिए काफ़ी है, sufficient है. That means आपको इससे डिग्री का पता चलता है. We'll speak again soon. हम फिर से दोबारा जल्दी बोलेंगे आपस में. तो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ टेलिंग यू अबाउट कि वो टाइम जल्दी आएगा जब हम बोलेंगे. अगेन इट इज़ टेलिंग अबाउट द टाइम. 15th, she gave the speech. She gave the speech fluently. वो बहुत fluently बोल रही थी. उसने speech बहुत fluently दी. Again it is telling about the manner. In what manner she spoke. She spoke fluently. उसने बहुत अच्छे से बोला. That means it is telling you about the manner. So with this, all the exercises of the adverbs are clear, and I have completed all the exercises. You can, if you do all these exercises, I don't know how you do it, how you complete, whether you do it in your notebooks or you complete these exercises in the books. So whatever you are doing means you are used to do. So you can just complete your work, as I have discussed all the exercises 1 to 6 with you, and I have also explained you about this formation of verbs on page number 75. And still I am always there for to clarify your doubts. If you have any doubts related to adverbs, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.